Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will teach you how to draw a boy, happy boy. In this video, I will teach you step by step, so you can draw too. Hi friends, do you like to draw? Yes, so let's draw with me. So you can draw the face of the boy. Like this. Make a curved line. Whoa, good job. Next step, you draw the neck. Like this, 2 lines. Now you can draw the shirt. Make a curved line here and another curved line here. Whoa, good job. Next step, you can draw like this. And another side. Like this. And slide. Whoa, good job. Happy. Whoa. Next step, you can draw the ear. Like this. And another side. Whoa, good job. Next step, draw a curved line here. Whoa. And draw the circle. Another circle here. Okay. Draw a small circle inside. Here and here. And you color in. Now you can draw the nose. Like this. And the mouth. Like this. Whoa. Now I will draw like this. Nice and nice. And coloring. Whoa. Outside. Whoa, color in. You can draw a line here, stop here, and here. Nice. Draw this line, this line, this line, this, and make a curved line here. And connect. Now you can draw these lines and connect here. Whoa, good job, friend. Now you connect here and make a curved line here. Whoa. You can draw these lines. You make a curved line here and here. Whoa, good job. You can draw this line. Whoa, so nice. If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye.